Thank you all for braving the storm. Thank you very much. I don't know if it's coming back or if it's done for the day, but thank you, grazie, thank you. It's a true privilege to be in such a beautiful place. I've never played in such a beautiful place. It's incredible. Like a soldier long standing under fire, any change comes as a relief. Let the giver's name remain unspoken. She is just a generous thief. She wore diamonds on the inside, wore diamonds on the inside, wore diamonds, wore diamonds. She wore diamonds on the inside. She wore diamonds. She wore diamonds. She wore diamonds on the